Here I've got Samsung Galaxy A40 and let me show you how to change language on the following device. So at first you have to open list of all applications, find and select the settings. Here you should pick General Management and now go to Language and Input. Now select language, so the first icon, and click on Add Language, so click on the plus sign, and as you can see there's a wide list of languages included in your Samsung, so select the one that you would like to have. Let me pick Filipino and click Set as a Default. Give your device a sec, and as you can see from now on everything is in Filipino. Then if you would like to change it back to English language, just go to General Management, so this icon one more time, pick the first tab, one more time the first icon, and then swipe the English or some other language up and click on this blue tab to make it as a default one. So as you can see, we are back in English. If you would like to permanently delete Filipino, tap on Remove, click on Filipino, and then click on Remove one more time. Confirm that you would like to delete it permanently by tapping on Remove. And that's it. From now on, only English is in your device, so that's actually it. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.